you wondering which is the best text-to-speech software that doesn't sound like a robot and will easily get you monetized on YouTube? In this video, we will review Well-Said Labs, one of the best options on the market. Before we dive into the specifics of the software options, let's address the question on many people's minds. Can you monetize a text-to-speech YouTube channel? There are many videos out there that claim it's not possible, but they are often based on the use of poor-quality text-to-speech software that makes it sound like a vacuum cleaner is recording the videos. If you use high-quality text-to-speech software, however, it is possible to monetize on YouTube. But there is always some chance that YouTube might not monetize your channel if you are using text-to-speech from the beginning. And there is also some chance YouTube will monetize your channel, so it's up to you. Well-Said Labs is a text-to-speech software that uses artificial intelligence (AI) and deep learning to create natural-sounding voices in over 50 languages.
Are you ready to get revved up?
It's a cloud-based solution that is easy to use, with a simple interface that allows you to type in your text and choose the desired voice and language. Well-Said Labs also offers customization options, including the ability to adjust the pitch, rate, and volume of the generated voice. One of the key benefits of Well-Said Labs is the natural-sounding quality of its generated speech.
That you can't possibly imagine.
Your creative life will evolve in.
The software uses advanced AI algorithms to create high-quality speech that is difficult to distinguish from human speech. This makes it a valuable tool for creating videos, podcasts, and other audio content, where you want the speech to sound as natural as possible.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're enjoying the content I'm creating, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button and consider subscribing.
Another advantage of Well-Said Labs is its ease of use. The interface is straightforward, with clearly labeled buttons and options. This makes it easy to get started with the software, even if you have no prior experience with text-to-speech software. The customization options are also easy to use, with sliders and other controls that allow you to adjust the pitch, rate, and volume of the generated voice to your liking. In terms of language support, Well-Said Labs offers a wide range of options. The software supports over 50 languages, including popular ones like English, Spanish, French, and Chinese, as well as less commonly supported languages like Swahili and Icelandic. This makes it a valuable tool for creating content in multiple languages or for targeting specific language communities. One potential drawback of Well-Said Labs is its cost. The software is not free, and the price can vary depending on the volume of text you want to generate and the number of languages you want to support. While the cost may be worth it for some users, it may be a barrier for others who are looking for a more affordable text-to-speech solution. Overall, Well-Said Labs is an excellent text-to-speech software that offers a range of natural-sounding voices in multiple languages. Its voice cloning technology and customization options make it a powerful tool for creating high-quality audio content, and its ease of use makes it accessible to users of all skill levels. While the cost may be a consideration for some users, the natural-sounding quality of the generated speech and the wide range of language support make Well-Said Labs a top choice for many. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. It really helps us out and keeps us motivated to create more content. Also, we love to hear from our viewers, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the video. Thanks for your support, and we hope to see you in the next one.